Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix or handle faulty or low-quality GPS trackers, especially cheap or counterfeit units that may fail right out of the box. Step 1. Confirm that the tracker is faulty. Symptoms to check: no power or LED activity, no GPS or GSM signal, inaccurate or no location tracking, constant disconnection from the platform or app. Action: try powering the device with a different known good power source. Use a multimeter to test the voltage on the power input, typically 9 to 36 volts for vehicle trackers. Try inserting a SIM card with active data and no pin lock. Step 2. Rule out basic issues. Test the following: SIM card inserted correctly and activated, GPS antenna connected securely, mobile network signal available in the area, GPS signal is not obstructed. Avoid garages or underground areas. Action: test outdoors in open sky. Ensure data, SMS, and voice are active if required by the model. Step 3. Perform a reset or firmware reinstall if possible. Check if the model has a reset button or pinhole. Refer to the manufacturer's manual to send SMS commands for resetting the tracker to factory settings. If the tracker supports firmware updates, attempt to reinstall or update the firmware using the official tool or app. Note: many cheap or counterfeit trackers may not support firmware updates or resets. Step 4. Test with a diagnostic tool or tracking platform. Use the official tracking software or an SMS tool to send diagnostic commands. Verify IMEI registration, APN settings, and server configuration. SMS commands to try, example for TK series clone, begin 123456, adminip 123456 server IP port, APN 123456 your APN GPRS 123456. Replace 123456 with your tracker's default password. Step 5. Open and visually inspect the unit. Only do this if warranty is void or you're troubleshooting a clone. Check for loose solder joints, burn marks or corrosion, poor quality wiring or components, missing components. Action: resolder loose joints or replace visibly damaged parts like capacitors, antenna ports, etc. Step 6. Replace or upgrade the tracker. If all steps fail and the tracker is unstable, the hardware is poorly constructed, it shows inconsistent behavior, best option: replace it with a reputable brand like Teltonica, Queclink, Coben Original, Ruptella. Step 7. Prevent future issues. Buy from verified dealers, avoid unknown sellers or extremely cheap units. Check IMEI validity on GSM network databases. Read reviews and compare hardware specs before buying. Recommended tools: multimeter SMS tool for testing commands, screwdriver set for hardware inspection, mobile hotspot or SIM card tester. Let me know if you want a diagnostic script, a sample SMS command list for specific GPS models, or a comparison of reliable tracker brands.